Dear students, this is the second part, lesson number 2 in geography, composition of our planet. In this part, we are going to discuss about classification of rocks, rock cycle, and use of rocks and minerals. First, we are going to discuss about classification of rocks. There are three kinds of rocks. The first one is igneous rocks, second one is sedimentary rocks, third one is metamorphic rocks. First we are going to discuss about igneous rocks. The word igneous derived from Latin word ignis, which means fire. This rock is formed through cooling and solidification of magma or lava. These igneous rocks again divided into two types. The first one is intrusive igneous rocks. Second one is extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks is formed from magma that cools and solidifies within the crust of the planet. Second one is extrusive igneous rocks. When lava comes out of a volcano and solidifies into extrusive igneous rocks. This is the formation of intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks. Now we are going to discuss about sedimentary rocks. Rock that has formed through the deposition and solidification of sediment, especially sediment transported by water, ice and wind. Sedimentary rocks are often deposited in layers and frequently contain fossils. Three main types of sedimentary rocks are clastic, chemical and organic. These are all the three main types of sedimentary rocks. So these are all about sedimentary rocks. Now we are going to discuss about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have become changed by intense heat or pressure while forming. In the very hot and pressured conditions deep inside the earth's crust, both sedimentary and igneous rocks can be changed into metamorphic rocks. So these are all the various classification of rocks. Now we are going to discuss about rock cycle. What is rock cycle? The rock cycle is a process in which rocks are continuous transformed between the three rocks types igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. These are all about rock cycle. Now we are going to discuss about use of rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals are all around us. They help us to develop new technologies and are used in our everyday lives. Our use of rocks and minerals includes as building materials, cosmetics, cars, roads, and appliances. In order maintain a healthy lifestyle and strengthen the body, human need to consume minerals daily. So these are all about use of rocks and minerals. Dear students, I hope you are all understood about the classification of rocks, the rock cycle, and use of rocks and minerals. Thank you.